a 2015 Ford Transit 3550, lot number 34963. The jump box is attached to this vehicle. True mechanical conditions are unknown. $122,531 miles. The vehicle is not started with the jump box attached. I can hear the AC blowing, but I can't feel it. And the radio is not coming on in the unit. Power lock did work at first, but it didn't close back once I tried to push the button again. True mechanical conditions are unknown. Horn is not blowing in the vehicle. Please try to come out to inspect. Please call the seller's location and set up an appointment for inspection.